Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my daily cleaning routine. This is not always after dark, but it just so happens on this night I had to work. So I came home from work and just got started tidying up the kitchen and the living room. But I do this on a daily basis, whether it's at night or in the morning. It just depends on if I'm working or not that day. Usually the first thing I do when I walk in the door is I just go ahead and get started picking up around the house. Mainly the counters. I just put everything back where it goes. Usually there's just a bunch of stuff out of its place. And then I will wash the dishes, or Aubrey will wash the dishes. It just depends. I just went ahead and got them done this night because there was literally only like 2 things in the sink.
To get your attention.
So basically I'm going to be showing you exactly the order that I cleaned up the house in. I usually don't do it like this. I'll usually do all of the kitchen and then all of the living room. But I don't know what was up with me this night. I was just skipping around. I was going back and forth.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.
Right here I'm just cleaning off my coffee table and my end table, and I'm just using a wet washcloth. I'm not using any kind of spray or anything because I haven't quite figured out what I can use on this table. It's not coated in anything, it's just like straight wood, so I don't really know what I can use on it. If you have any ideas or suggestions, let me know. Also, I don't even know why I bothered to ever clean this couch or this love seat, because Alex comes straight home from work, he lays down on it, and it gets messed up immediately after.
But I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.
So here I am back cleaning out my sink. Don't ask me why I didn't do this after I washed the dishes. I just didn't, but I'm going to go ahead and get it done now. And then I'm going to spray my sea salt and lime spray and just let it sit. I've been doing that recently and it makes the whole kitchen smell good. And I bet y'all can guess what I'm using to clean off my counters. If you don't know, try to guess and leave it down in the comments below. You guys know that I never change it up, and I probably never will, but just guess what I'm using.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. You don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up before you leave. And don't forget to subscribe. I would love you to be a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.